Okay, Brett, I'm back. I want to show you this too, so everything matches up. I have 39 fonts here. I hope we can see that pretty clearly. I'm holding the phone. I don't want to give you a screen share or anything like that, so you don't see. Okay, so I went into the set folder here. I mean, everything is, if this is the current set folder, you said this thing was updated. So I shouldn't have to update it at all whatsoever. All I did was change the config.ini file, and that was it. That's the only thing that I was supposed to do. I'm not supposed to delete stuff, but I did. I deleted everything and started over from scratch. I tried everything. So I'm out of options. I'm assuming it's actually this thing that's defective. The board or something on the board or whatever. I have no idea because it's been giving me problems. I showed you the last video where it's lighting up red and no other color. As you can see here, there's a lot of different color choices on here. None of them should be red except for the last one on the bottom. Okay, so I did that intentionally for the last font on the bottom so that way I could tell that I'm at the end of the font cycle and it'll cycle back to the top. Okay, because I have a lot of whites in there, a lot of blues, a lot of green, yellow, different colors all over the place. Okay, so the coding is not wrong on my end. So something's going on in your guys' end. Either it's the instructions from you guys are dishing out or something that you're not saying to people or whatever. But this is getting very old. People are getting pissed. I'm beyond livid and pissed. But I'm trying to remain calm so you can help me out and we can get this resolved ASAP. Because I don't want the weekend to go by and I'm stuck with this thing the whole weekend without it doing anything. Okay, so I'm like, you know, like I said on the last video, I'm not gonna buy from you guys at all whatsoever. This is atrocious. You know what I mean? You tell me to do one thing and this thing is doing another. So you guys need to update your YouTube to make sure it's the current config file and current setup, so that way people don't have problems adding sound fonts. I don't know what it is, but there's something on the video where you're jumping back and forth. You're jumping from one section and going back to another. So a lot of people are saying the same thing too. And I'm telling you, you're going from one section to another. It's like you're jumping back and forth. You got to give people time to digest the information. So and this is in a nutshell. You can see what you're looking at on the screen here. And I'm showing you, this is the set file. If these are the right dates that you have for the set files, then I should be good. There should be no problem. I should be having fun, swinging them around and working out with them and whatnot. But I can't, man. It's all red and it's stuck on like a fire blade. You know what I mean? It's driving me absolutely nuts, man. So I know these videos are long and winded, but I want you to understand this is imperative. This is more important than the last email I sent you. However, you need to look at the other videos for the defective blade. So you got a lot of homework. And I hope you get on it first thing in the morning. Because, I mean, you guys are back east. This is, you know, you guys open till 10. That's 1 o'clock for me. Or that's, you know, you guys open at 10. That's not 1 o'clock for me. I'm not ahead of you. I'm behind you. I'm on the West Coast here. So, you know, when I call you, my 10 o'clock is your 1 o'clock over there. So by the time my 10 o'clock rolls around, you guys are already at lunch and almost ready to go home for the day. So, you know, I don't know how long you guys are there on Fridays. But I'm hoping you guys are there all day. Like I said, man, I don't know where to leave off or start or finish this thing. I mean, I could wipe the whole thing out again and just not even add this config file and just send it back to you, because that's where I'm at right now. I mean, this is getting pretty out of hand, man. Pretty out of hand. So I will post this on YouTube. I mean, I have no choice, man. People are going to go, what's going on? And that way maybe somebody can help me. Somebody else can help me deal with this stuff, because there's really no support here, man. This is not fair to me, not fair to everybody else. This is not fair to me personally. I mean, business-wise, this is not fair to me at all. I mean, I spend a lot of money, you know, on these hilts, and I expect a good service, and this is not a good service. I mean, you guys are, I know, you know, I thought you guys are reputable, but to me, it doesn't seem so at all. So again, sorry this is long and winded, but I hope that you can see that all these files here, the time and date that you guys, I got this from the forum. So I'm hoping that all this information is correct and true, so that way I could do my thing. But as you saw, all I did was take the memory card out and stick it in the computer, and this is what happening. And all I got was all red and wrong font and wrong what do you call it? Wrong style of the font, wrong effect of the font. It's wrong all the way around. So there's something you guys are missing on your end. You're not relaying it to us, the customers. Okay, I'm a publisher. If you haven't figured that out yet, I will publish this, and I'll publish it until my fingers turn blue. So I hope that I don't have to do that. I'm praying I don't have to do that, man. I'm praying you guys are missed something. You guys could correct the mistake, and we could go on with our lives. But if not, I'm gonna post this, and people are not gonna be happy. People are gonna not buy from you, because this time, I'm serious about this, man. This is unacceptable, completely unacceptable. So get results back to me immediately. Otherwise, I'm gonna report you guys. Thank you.